Okay, now this is my phone. Okay, and this is the ESP32, and this is the read. Now I activate the device. Okay, now the red line is turn on, and you can see that before it is empty. Now it received the message from the Twilio, and it said door closed. Now I will open the door and see what happened. And now you can see that if I open the door, see the light turn off, and now I received the second message. It said that your door open. Okay, now I close it again. You see, now you show that it is closed. So this device can really help the people who really worry about is anybody walking to their room, and you can tell them that your door is open by order or not.